Welcome back to the Adventure 4x4 Garage. 2025 Audi S8 rolls into frame. Its sleek, aggressive design immediately grabbing attention. The 2025 Audi S8 is where luxury meets performance, blending cutting-edge technology with raw power. The exterior design is bold yet sophisticated, featuring Audi's signature single-frame grille with the blacked-out honeycomb pattern, flanked by sharp HD matrix LED headlights. The sculpted body lines, chrome accents, and available black optics package enhance its sporty appeal. Rolling on 21-inch alloy wheels, the S8 has a dominating road presence, while the quad exhaust tips at the rear hint at the performance hidden beneath the hood. Powering the S8 is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 563 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, this sedan accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The standard predictive active suspension adjusts each wheel individually, offering a balance between comfort and sportiness. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, making it agile despite its full-size luxury sedan dimensions. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that screams opulence. The cabin is wrapped in premium Vulcan leather with diamond stitching, while carbon fiber and aluminum trims elevate the aesthetic. The dual touchscreen MMI system with haptic feedback ensures intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, and rear passengers enjoy executive seating with massage functions, individual climate zones, and entertainment screens. Ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof further enhance the cabin's luxurious feel. Pricing starts at around $122,000, but with optional packages and customizations, it can easily exceed $140,000. The 2025 Audi S8 is a statement of performance, elegance, and innovation, making it one of the most compelling luxury sedans of the year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more new latest cars model. Thank you.